How was it working with Marina?
Oh my God, you ask? Don't ask, girl, because I was so speechless at the time. You know, nung nag-tape kami nun, sobrang speechless ako, di ko na siya makausap ng maayos. Alam mo yung nabubulol-bulol ako dahil love na love ko nga siya. Tapos, it was so amazing na mesmerize ako at the same time din napapascinate ako sa kanya na how creative she was. Grabe yung creative juices niya. She's so creative that, you know, sa lahat ng ginagawa ko sa set, sa MV, sobrang meticuloso siya as a director. And she was like, dapat this should be perfect and all, this should be like this, this should be like that, and Angie, do your thing, this is you. Oh girl, gumagana si Miss Marina and I love her so much. She's the best person I ever met.
Kanino idea na kunin siya? Kanino idea?
Si Sir Roxy. Sir Roxy told me na, why not Miss Marina will be the director of You Didn't? And I was like, I don't believe you kasi she's so super busy because di ba nga, Drag Race and all, and she's so sikat, and I was like, but Sir Roxy, daw naniniwala makukuha mo si Miss Marina. Si Miss Marina, yun eh. Well, sabi niya, na, watch me. Gumano siya, Sir Roxy, watch me. Nakuha nga. Tapos,
having worked with an iconic LGBT icon, what can you say towards the community?
Towards the community, if you all know na all of us are equal, and I really hate it when, you know, na may nababasa ko na may hate pa rin. Kasi, na nakakaano lang, I mean, hindi naman sa nagsasabi ako na, na I'm Christian, open naman ako sa mga LGBTQ, kasi sa totoo lang, tao rin lang naman sila. And wala tayong magagawa kung yung choices ng ibang tao, di ba? We cannot do anything about it. And we just let them be because they are just who they are. Kagaya din ng sinabi ko the last time doon sa Showtime na we are not perfect, but we're just perfectly us. Diba?
So, chummy na kayo ngayon ni Marina?
Nako, once ako nagka-idol ako, halos hindi ko makausap yung idol ko sa sobrang hiya. Ako yung fan na gusto lang nasa gilid. Oo, gusto lang nasa gilid. Ayaw yung ganun, i-hug si Lodi. Hindi ako ganyan. Sabi ko, Miss Marina, hi! Gumaganon ako kasi nahihiya ako. And I love her so much. And ganun ako pag-idol ko. Siguro pag makita ko din si Sir Enrique, gaganon ako. Gaganon.
Sorry, Angie, yung dinanet pa sa'yo ni Miss Marina, music video, naka-drag ka ba?
Drag! I'm living my drag fantasies. Sobrang blessed ako kasi alam mo gusto ko mag-drag din kasi baklang babae talaga ako. So, gusto ko yung mga, alam, pasabog, yung extravaganza and all. I want to be very extra. I want to be very just me. And that was the very me that I ever felt my whole life.
So, okay kang mag-guest sa Drag Race?
Nako, kung gusto niya ako mag-perform, go! Let's go!
Baka drag queen ka sa past life? Ganun.
Siguro baka, hindi ko alam. Kasi sa bahay talaga, inis na inis din yung tatay ko. Tama ka, bugera! Sample. Galingan natin, sir. Sorry, sir.
Ayun, sa sample nga.
Makabugera tayo. Tama ka, bugera! Tama ka, bugera! Tama ka, bugera! Miss Marina Summers yun. I love her so much. Siya yung inspiration ko. Yung pala, yun lang, diba?
Yung gano'n.
Period.
Sana mapanood niya to.
Yeah, sana.